हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम प्रकृति तिवारी। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं आप लोग को प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर 2022 साइंस क्लास 10 का सॉल्यूशन अपलोड कर रही हूँ। इसमें सेक्शन ए का सारे क्वेश्चंस के सॉल्यूशंस हैं। जैसे पहला क्वेश्चन था आपका, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज ओजोन, हाउ इज इट फॉर्म्ड इन द अपर लेयर्स ऑफ द अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर, हाउ डज ओजोन अफेक्ट आवर इकोसिस्टम। इसका सॉल्यूशन है ओजोन इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 एटम्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कंबाइंड टुगेदर। यूवी रेडिएशन स्प्लिट सम molecules of oxygen O2 with 2 oxygen atoms O, and then each oxygen atom then combines with another oxygen molecules O2 to form O3 ozone. O3 forms a layer in the upper atmosphere. It is essential for the survival of the life on this planet. It shields the surface of Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation UV coming from sun. उसी में सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है लिस्ट 2 ह्यूमन मेड इकोसिस्टम। ह्यूमन मेड इकोसिस्टम आर क्रॉप फील्ड इकोसिस्टम, एक्वेरियम इकोसिस्टम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वी डू नॉट क्लीन ए पॉन्ड इन द सेम मैनर एज वी डू इन एन एक्वेरियम, गिव रीजन टू जस्टिफाई दिस स्टेटमेंट। वी डू नॉट क्लीन ए पॉन्ड इन द सेम मैनर as we do in the aquarium, since we know that a pond is a natural ecosystem which has a decomposer, whereas an aquarium is an artificial ecosystem and does not contain decomposers. Therefore, it needs regular cleaning for proper functioning. Next question है name and state the rule to determine the direction of force experienced by a current carrying straight conductor placed in a uniform magnetic field which is perpendicular to it. Fleming left hand rule. Fleming left hand rule कहता है Fleming left hand rule is the rule to determine the direction of force experienced by a current carrying straight conductor placed in a uniform magnetic field which is perpendicular to it. फ्लेमिंग लेफ्ट हैंड रूल क्या है? स्ट्रेच द थंब, forefinger and middle finger of your left hand such that they are mutually perpendicular. If the first finger points in the direction of magnetic field and the second finger in the direction of current, then the thumb will point in the direction of motion or the force acting on the conductor. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा an alpha particle while passing through a magnetic field gets projected towards north. In which direction will an electron project when it passes through the same magnetic field? An alpha particle while passing through a magnetic field gets projected towards north, then electron will project it in the south direction when it passes through the same magnetic field. और करके है बी का फर्स्ट व्हाट इज ए सोलेनॉइड? ए सोलेनॉइड इज ए टाइप ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट formed by a helical coil of wire whose length is substantially greater than its diameter, which generates a controlled magnetic field. Next, draw a pattern of magnetic field lines of the magnetic field produced by a solenoid through which a steady current फ्लो। इसमें क्या करना है? इसमें सोलेनॉइड का डायग्राम बनाना है जो कि आपके सामने है। इसमें क्या है? करंट जो है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन What is variation? List 2 main reasons that may lead to variation in a population. Variation can be defined as any differences between the individuals in a species or growth of organisms of any species 2 main reasons are inaccurate in DNA copying, sexual reproduction. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, in a cross between violet flowered plants and white flowered plants, state the characteristics of the plants obtained in the F1 progeny. F1 progeny Next question है, if the plants of F1 progeny are self-pollinated, then what would be observed in the plants of F2 progeny? F2 progeny, violet as well as white flowered plant. Next question, if 100 plants are produced in F2 progeny, then how many plants will show in recessive trait? Answer is 25 plants. Next question, which of the following flowers will have higher possibility of self-pollination? Mustard and hibiscus. Next question, list 2 reproductive parts of bisexual flower. Stamens and pistils are the 2 reproductive parts of a bisexual flower. Name the process shown below and define it. क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपको एक फिगर दिया हुआ है, उसमें पूछा गया है कि किस प्रोसेस के थ्रू ऐसा हो रहा है. तो ये जो है ये रीजनरेशन प्रोसेस के थ्रू हो रहा है. रीजनरेशन प्रोसेस क्या होता है? इट इज अ प्रोसेस इन विच ईच कट और ब्रोकन of pieces of an individual grows into a new individual through a specialized cell. Next question, name the types of cell present in the organisms which exhibit this process. Specialized cell is a type of cells present in the organisms which exhibit this process. Next question, next question है, what is a dominant trait? Why can't the following 3 elements form such a trait? Nitrogen 14, phosphorus 31, arsenic 75. Dominant trait, when 3 elements with similar properties are arranged in order of their increasing atomic masses, of the atomic mass of the middle element is roughly the average of an atomic masses of the other of 2 elements. Since we know that average of atomic mass of nitrogen and arsenic is 14 plus 75.2, जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आएगा 44.5 and the atomic mass of phosphorus is 31. So nitrogen, phosphorus and arsenic cannot be classified as dominant trait. Next question, the molecular formula of 2 alkynes A and B are CXH2 and C3Hy respectively. Find the values of X and Y. Write the name of A and B. Since we know that alkynes formula is CnH2n minus 2, so CXH2, that is 2n minus 2 is equal to 2, 2n is equal to 4, n is equal to 2, x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? 2 आ जाएगी. और C3Hy is equal to, which implies that y is equal to 2n minus 2. जब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो y की वैल्यू 4 आ जाएगी. और A जो है वो इथाइन है और B जो है प्रोपाइन है. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन का वीडियो आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिल जाएगा. इसका क्वेश्चन पेपर जो है आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में है. थैंक्स.